Here we are, Yamaha Wild-star XV1700 Fords. Don't get a lot better than this, guys. Okay, beautiful billet jobs, proper CNC Alley, not die-cast shite. Okay, and as you can see here, this is adjustable for your angle. Okay, this is your shifter rod connection, or your shift lever, whatever you want to call it. This will go on your bike like this, and obviously you put your foot under here, adjust this to get the angle right. You can undo this, you can actually flip this around so it comes forwards. But very, very cool bit of kit. And as you can see, these are the bolts that hold the full controls onto your Wild-star. These do fit XV1600, 1700, do not fit the Warrior under any circumstances, totally different frame. But if you are interested in some super cool parts for your Wild-star, give us a call. Okay, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Also available in chrome. And while we're at it, as you can see here, we do a lot of gear. Okay, so we've got all your wheel upgrades, brake upgrades, and yes, they do fit Wild-stars as well. We do adapters, okay, before anyone says they don't. These particular ones here, fat spokes, again, can be made to fit a Wild-star. There's no problem. There's a solid, real thick steel fenders by BK Fenders in Holland. Okay, not your flimsy, shitty ones you get. You can almost, well, you can stand on them, they're that strong. So if you're interested in P&M brakes, any kind of upgrades, big tanks, we also do S&S bars, you know, Ultima Motors, S&S motors, bagger motors, all your spares. Tank sealers, good idea if you've got a bike, because the bloody ethanol fuel will screw it up anyway. Rear oil filters, your grips, etc. But gotta admit, we do keep more than most. If you're interested in any parts for your bike, Japanese, Harley, Triumph, you name it, give us a call. It's Mike from customcruisers.com. And once again, back to these Fords. Awesome bit of kit. Can't get any better than this, I guarantee. And uses a .5, it doesn't take your paint off, doesn't boil, and it doesn't absorb water. So this allows you to upgrade your bike to .5. Do not use 5.1 in any bike that recommends 5. Okay, thank you. Customcruisers.com, 01773835666.